Hey guys, happy November. I'm Sophia, your host for this episode of VTV Today. If you're looking for things to get involved in this month, you've come to the right place. Every year, the college hosts a craft fair where students, staff, and faculty can sell handmade goods to the Vania community. This year's craft fair takes place on November 3rd from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. in the large tent between D and N. Make sure to stop by to do some early holiday shopping. And I'll let you in on a little secret. VTV's very own Giovanna will be there as a vendor, selling her artwork she makes out of recycled and repurposed materials. Many other very talented vendors will be there as well. You won't want to miss this. Vania's virtual open house will be on Saturday, November 6th. If you're thinking of switching programs or have family or friends that are interested in attending Vania, it would be a good idea to join a Zoom session to get some questions answered. We will also be offering tours of the campus on November 19th for future students and their parents. So if you would like to be a tour guide, we're looking for volunteers. See the email below to sign up. If you would like the opportunity to explore issues such as racism, LGBTQ rights, and critically analyze the gender roles in society, you may want to look into joining the Women's and Gender Studies college-wide major. Not sure exactly what that is? Me either. Join me in an information session on November 17th in A319 from 12:30 to 1:45, or you can join that same meeting through Zoom. Links to the Zoom as well as more information will be linked in the bio below. Don't forget, we mentioned this in every episode. If you need help with your study skills, or not understanding the course content, there are plenty of places that you can go. Check out Task in E300, Clio for French in C409, and for social science and commerce students, go to A301. I'm Sophia, that was this month's VTV Today. Thank you so much for joining me.